Hi guys, welcome back to Chocolate Bunny's channel. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Okay guys, yes, I'm in a different setting. I'm sitting at my vanity. So yes, I didn't do the background and all that. No, I didn't. But anyway guys, I came on here to show you guys like this amazing Christmas gift. Amazing like makeup. What do I call it? Like eyeshadows. Like it had eyeshadows, glitter eyeshadows, cream eyeshadows, loose eyeshadows, even has the like lip glosses in it, and also what else has in it, and the eye primer, I want to say. So you guys, if you want to see, I created this look as well. I didn't use the whole thing, but I did use the glitter just because I love the glitter. It's amazing. It's so pretty. But anyway you guys, if you want to see how I did this eyeshadow look, and also if you want to see these amazing eyeshadows, stay tuned and keep on watching, boo. Okay, give you a sample of each one. Like I'm not gonna go through all of them, so you guys can see how pigmented they are. And she purchased this at Walmart, and I think she only paid like $14.99 for about $15, you guys, and you can't beat it. And it was 72 pieces. Like, girl, bye. What you sleeping on? And y'all, I can't wait to do this color. I cannot wait to use this particular eyeshadow because it's so pretty. And I believe I'm gonna do a like a Valentine's look with this. Oh my god, and it's like a pink. I don't know how good it's gonna show on camera. And what's crazy guys, I cannot look at that. Look at all that sparkle, man. That shit, man, like a pastel, like pink. It's just so pretty out. So that's one of the glitters. This is one of the loose eyeshadows. I had opened this one already, and I don't even know what color is this. What is this color? I don't say the color, but anyway, but this is like a bluish color, not too dark. Oh y'all, you guys, you cannot see it, but yes, this is like that color. I'm gonna swatch it to show you how pigmented it is. Oh, let me close it down. But look at pretty, how pretty is that? That is pretty. And I'm gonna show you guys one of, I never used one of these, but I never used the cream eyeshadow like that before, so I'm excited to use that. And this is a pink color, and this is a cream eyeshadow. It's more like a lavender. So yeah, that's one of the cream eyeshadows. So I show you guys the glitter, the loose one, and the cream. And also it came with, I was telling you guys, it came with the eyeshadow primer. They gave me two, and I believe they're the same color. Let me see. Yeah. I think one is a little bit darker than the other. So they gave me two cream eyeshadow primers. Y'all, look at these, amazing. I can't wait to use these two, one of these. And they gave me like 6 of these little eyeshadows. Like I said, if you don't know what type of eye you want to do, and you just want in a hurry and you don't got time to be rambling all over, look at that. It is so pretty. And you just want to hurry up and do an eye real quick. Let me swatch this because that is so pretty. Come off good. Look at that orange. Yeah, my lighting sucks, but yes, it's pigmented, you guys. And look at the pink. No, I can't do that. But look how pretty that pink is. No, I'm obsessed with pink, I guess, for right now. And these are some of the lip glosses. I was showing you guys. Look how pretty that is. I should have put this one on today. But yes, you can't beat the deal, you know. You get a lot. And like, especially if you first starting off doing makeup and you want, like, you know, this will be good. Good practice. Look how pretty that pink. If you want to see how I create this look using the glitter, go ahead and continue watching. Okay, girl.
Tunchi.
Datpiff.com world
Barbie.
Gangsta
Money.
Brazil.
I've been smoking gas, killing bitches, man, I feel just like a youngstar. Cover up my face like a ninja in this Alexander Wang scarf. I'ma drop a bag, they gon' pull up and then they gon' let them things off.
For watching. Bye guys, and don't forget to thumbs up this video and leave me some comments down below. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys. Bye again.